Hey, what's going on? It's the boat we just picked up. Hoping to do some videos of some of the work we're going to do on it. So this video will just be the kind of initial walkthrough. Show you around the outside and then we'll go up in and look at the inside. So this is a 96 model Bayliner 2655. Have already done an initial pressure wash. Wish we would have had some footage of before we did that, but that's okay. It's the 5.7. Drop this back down. It has the bench in the back that pops out. Open this up. So yeah, we did pressure wash. This was black up here. Looks pretty good now. Most of the important stuff works. It floats, it runs, it moves. Some of the amenities do not. Freshwater tank is missing. Wastewater tank is missing. At some point someone's put this floor in, so the hole for the table is gone. For the most part, it's pretty clean. It needs a good cleaning. Some of the windows have kind of cracked. They don't leak. The cabin lighting does work. I'd like to replace those with some LEDs eventually, but again, we will kind of we're planning to do some videos of progress as we fix it. Radio's obviously missing, the factory microwave, no fresh water, so we haven't tried the sink, haven't tried the stove yet. It's the queen aft cabin. These lights do work. It's a pretty good size. It's the understep storage, fridge. Not sure if this works. Into the head. So the factory head that plugged to the wastewater tank, obviously there's the plumbing for it. Someone had put this kind of self-contained head in. It works, but you know, eventually we want to get to the factory head. We can use the fresh water, we can use the waste tank, then obviously get the sink, shower, water heater, and those things working. So it's kind of a running, operating project. We can take it out and use it as it is, but just some improvements that we want to do as we go that we will keep you guys posted on progress. Yeah, it's the first boat that we've had, you know, as a family. I've had a couple of smaller boats in the past, but nothing this size. But yeah, looking forward to getting started on it and showing you guys the progress on it. Thanks for watching.